And now for something completely different. Today we're talking about a prince, Vegas, exotic dancers, and some underwear. Man, that is a title. I'm Adam Andrews, this is InformOverload, and let's get to it. We are fresh on the heels of the 10-year anniversary of the August 2012 night when none other than Prince Harry stripped down to his nothings playing billiards in a Las Vegas suite. What he may or may not have known is that a dancer who was present at the High Rollers room snatched up a nice, probably not so fresh pair of the prince's black rolled tighty whities. And she held on to them all this time until now, after the anniversary of that fateful night, she is putting them up for auction. And they are a hit! The opening bid started at $10,000 and it slowly rised until it hit $16,000. But that is when a club owner from San Diego, Dino, placed a crazy bid of $250,000 buckaroos. $250,000 for this old pair of monarchical boxer briefs. Dino is saying that he plans to turn the garments into a nice little shrine to the prince himself if he wins, but that's the thing. The online bidding will stay open until September 30th, giving plenty of people the opportunity to top the $250,000 bid. Carrie Royale, the ex-dancer who took the undies and is running the auction, believes it could reach up to the $1 million mark. That's the cutoff point at least. But alas, only time will tell. I'm apprehensive about even dropping $30 on undies, so this will be interesting, for sure. The auction itself took place at Larry Flint's Hustlers Club, where Harry is reportedly to have dropped his magical undergarments during his time partying. Speaking of the prince, there has been no report on how exactly he is feeling about the situation, but we do know that part of the proceeds are going to be going to a charity run by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle called Archewell. Obviously, I have no idea how much, quote, part of the proceeds is, but it's still good to know. But yes, now we both know more than we likely wanted to about Prince Harry's underwear. Or maybe you wanted to know, you weirdos. I don't know, it's fine, whatever. I joke, I kid. It's all a good time here at InformOverload, and as such, it would be lovely to receive your comments, likes, and subscribes to let us know you agree. For now though, I've been your host Adam Andrews. Find me on Instagram and stay safe out there, kiddos. Adios.